This is the English Literature Web YouTube channel, and I am Professor L.V. Gaikwad is teaching today the topic presentation skills. This is my lecture 280, part 1. So presentation skill is related with the performance of the activity. Remember how the candidate is going to perform his activity. On the success of that activity, the presentation skill is related. Through the presentation skill, the person delivers effective and engaging presentation to the different types of audience. Remember, when the point of the presentation comes, there are the audience before him and he has to explain to the audience there. To make the powerful presentation, the structure of the presentation, the design of the slide made, the tone of the speaker's voice, and the body language are brought into use. Remember, all these things are very much important when we give our presentation or when we prepare our presentation. Now, the next point is here. How should be the structure of the presentation? Means here the topic is that how is the presentation prepared, means how the candidate will prepare his presentation. That is the point. So the structure of the presentation is tremendously significant because a well-known, organized or compiled presentation creates an impression. Remember, he must compile some points, he must compile those points very well organized in very well organized system. That is the design of the presentation. We know through the presentation that we are talking confidently. Remember, if that presentation is made very beautiful, then that gentleman can talk on that presentation very confidently. And then the audience with interest listen to that candidate because he has won their trust and faith. Remember, here the point is very clear that the candidate has to win the trust and faith of the audience, because everything depends on the audience. If that audience are attracted, captured by the presentation which he has created, or if he talks like that, then that presentation is the best presentation. That is the point here. The structure of the presentation encourages us to speak logically with fluency. Yes, means if the structure of the presentation is very beautiful, then that man gets the encouragement and he speaks very logical, and fluency is there in his speech. Then we can release the information which the audience demand, and only for this purpose they listen to our presentation. Remember, the main purpose of the presentation is that the presentation actually has been made very nice. That's why it is as per the demand of the audience, and that's why the audience are listening to that particular presentation very seriously or very honestly. It means we fulfill their need. So here the presenter fulfills the need of the audience, and these needs are fulfilled with sincere attempts through the presentation. If we build the structure of the presentation attractively, then we comfortably talk to our audience. Remember, and that's why the presentation, the design of the presentation must be very much attractive. Then very confidently the candidate can talk to the audience. Naturally, there is the presentation skill in us, actually in everybody. There is the skill of the presentation, but the following issues regarding the presentation structure are formal, which is given as under. So we should see now the presentation structure with the following points. The purpose of the presentation means what should be the purpose of the presentation on this topic now we are going to discuss. To make the best presentation, our purpose should be with determination. So remember, with determination, we should make that presentation. Then that presentation becomes very attractive and impressive. With purpose, we should prepare the presentation in such a way that the audience must present the main points to us on listening to our presentation. So remember, here the audience should be very much happy, they should be captured, and they will ask us the questions to us with interest, and that is the successful presentations. Here I will say, this way of the presentation brings you and your audience into focus, and the audience know the purpose of our presentation. So remember, here the audience and the presenter both come into the focus, and he can link himself with the audience, and then the presentation becomes very successful. The next point is audience pre-assessment. So remember, here we are discussing this point now. To make our presentation influencing, we must know our audience pre-assessment. It means we must know the idea about their liking and disliking. So remember, when we are going to make our presentation, we must know about the liking and disliking, means the interest, hobbies, or the minds or mind setup of the audience. We should study minutely the characteristics, the knowledge, the needs of the audience, so that we can deliver the right presentation to the right audience. Remember, here we must know the characteristics, the knowledge, needs of the audience, and if we know all these things already, or this will be the pre-assessment, means if we are assessing the audience in before, that is pre, if we are assessing them before, then our presentation becomes very much attractive or impressive. We must have the knowledge of our audience background. We must have the knowledge of the background of the audience, what type of that audience are, from which area they are coming, how much knowledge they are having. All these points we must take into the consideration. We should complete this pre-assessment before our presentation to our audience, means we should do all this before going to the audience. And then the next point is that we should study minutely all these characters, and we should prepare our presentation. Then it is very much true that our presentation becomes very impressive, and we can turn the audience towards us. So here today we have finished the topic presentation skills, lecture 280. Again with one new lecture we will be there in front of each other. Till then, thank you very much.